Arnaud case yun eh.
Yeah.
If I remember it right.
Yeah, Arnau case, oo. So medyo settled na yun eh, yung issue yun eh. And again, your lawyers, nagkakaproblema tayo, they have to be knowledgeable of this. Because kami, we've been discussing this for so many times in different committees, no? At katulad nga na sinabi ko, we don't have to take cognizance of your issues with regards to your motion of reconsideration, motion for reconsideration, and your issues in the different courts, no, for that matter. But at any rate, kung wala na po kayong ibang sabihin ng mga members, yeah, Congressman Acop, then we will be proceeding to the two witnesses because we have to settle the problem of these two deponents that we is still under our custody.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Acop.
meron lang po akong clarification. The motion to cite them in contempt was decided by a 2/3 vote of the committee. Now, they have filed their motions for consideration. I think we cannot decide on the matter of their motion simply because we do not have the required quorum in order to decide on this matter. Insofar as the petition to declare the contempt order given to Major Magsalos is concerned, we cannot also decide on that because that is already an issue outside of this committee. And it is up for the Supreme Court to decide whether they will take cognizance of that petition or not. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, that is true, no? So we'll try to wait for that decision of the Supreme Court as well. But let's proceed, no? Yung sa ating next issue, yung sa dalawang witnesses natin, yung civilian natin na I think the procedure here is because they've been here for like 2 weeks already. Si Nobesio and Makadat. Okay pa rin sa amin na dito kayo mag-stay but we will be informing the speaker about this. So may we clarify, from both of you kung you wanted to be released or actually hindi na naman kayo under our custody but you wanted still to be here for your protection. Do you still wanted to continue your stay here or you wanted to be released? Sige, Michael Nobesio.
Sir, good afternoon po. Para din po sa kaligtasan po natin, sir. Kahit dito lang po muna ako, sir.
Okay. How about si Makadat?
Good afternoon po, Mr. Chair. Para po sa akin, tuwan po lumabas.
Ano na? Again? Gusto mo na lumabas?
Opo.
Ano na? Oo. Okay, so we will be well actually we can allow that, no? If you wanted to be out, no? We'll just have to remind you that under Republic Act I think 6981 yung witness security protection and other benefits that will be given to the witnesses are in line, no, with what we are doing right now with both of you. And we can provide yung mga benefits, not the whole benefits, but I think yung mga medical, dental, that can be provided by this house. And it goes along also with our members of the PNP, no? I think the medical and the dental services are all being given to you, no? And we are also trying to meet out other requirements or other requests coming from all of you, no? Hindi naman po kami dito, basta may dumating kayong mga request, pinipirmahan ko na agad para for your convenience as well. Sige, si Pio Quinto, sige, go ahead.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo mga membro po ng chairman nito. Mr. Chairman, humingi po sana ako ng consideration na kasi meron po kaming na-receive na order na dismissal on PNP service na po kami. Humingi po ako sa inyo ng magandang kalooban po at mabigyan niyo po sana kami ng kahit konting panahon lang po na makasagot po kami sa dismissal order namin kasi binibigyan po kami ng about 10 days lang po. Kung maari po sana para ano po namin yung MR po saka yung mga document need ng ng sasagutin po naming desisyon. Baka ho, pwede alpas lang po siguro sa Tagalog term po, makalpas lang po sa siguro 5 days para ho maano lang po namin yung dismissal order po.
Yeah, but siguro before we decide on that, can we ask General Nartates of the because there are separate investigation that being conducted by them. It is separate with us as well, no? Iba yung sa amin, iba yung sa kanila. So there's no linkage about our decision and their decision on the dismissal. So we can give the porlo, no? But of course, we wanted to get the side of the PNP on this. Can you kindly educate us, General Natates, on the issue of dismissal of these following personalities?
That's true, Your Honor. The case under summary hearing proceedings have finally been resolved, and per recommendation of the summary hearing officer and careful study of these 34 case folders, medyo mahaba po yun, kaya inabot po ako ng mga ilang araw. And na-desisyonan ko na rin po, or I have resolved all of those 34 cases, Your Honor.
So in other words, yung excuse me, sorry. You have decided on the dismissal of the following personalities, the 34.
For the information of the Honorable Committee, out of the 34 personnel under the summary hearing personnel, 10 po doon ang penalties, dismissal from the police service. And this dismissal, pagka grave offense po yun, dismissal, it is immediate and executory.
So in other words, all of those who are under our custody, they have been issued dismissal, dismissal.
Only 10, Your Honor.
We have. Oh yeah, okay, sige. So those
That's
6 na under our custody, yung mga non-commissioned ay na-issue na ng dismissal.
That's true, Your Honor.
And how about sila Colonel Cabradilla and General Mariano is within the powers of the President?
This conduct of summary hearing proceeding for Colonel Cabradilla and General Mariano is still pending. We are waiting for
With the office of the President? Or
No, we are waiting for the presidential clearance, Your Honor.
presidential clearance? You haven't gotten yet the presidential clearance?
None yet, Your Honor.
None yet. Okay, that's the reason why wala pa kayong decision for that. Okay. I'll be asking the body for that request coming from Pio Ginto, no? Since they're going to answer back on the dismissal process that was submitted to, that was given to them, no? So what's the decision of the body? Sige, Congressman Paduano.
Again, either it's for law, lifting of contempt. Ang problema po natin yung 2/3 pa rin ng quorum. So we have to ask for some members, which is in the premises of the House, to report to this committee so that we can act on the request of those members of PNP cited in contempt for law. Except, of course, for General Mariano and Cabradilla because ongoing pa yung summary dismissal proceedings.
Okay, so since we'll just try to find out those other congressmen who are just nearby to be present here, members, no? Siguro tawagan na lang natin in a while. But for the meantime, we'll be proceeding with our investigation. And those who wanted to speak,
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Ako, please.
may I ask General Natates, sino po yung na-dismiss na from the service?
General Tates, you are recognized.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. For the information of the honorable committee, there are 10 personnel, part of the 34 personnel who have undergone summary hearing proceedings. They are Police Corporal Rexes U. Claveria, Police Staff Sergeant Christian C. Corpus, Police Staff Sergeant Roy G. Pioquinto, Staff Sergeant Danilo L. Desder, Staff Sergeant Mark J. Dumocrito, Police Executive Master Sergeant Arsenio K. Valle, Police Captain Sherwin Limbawan, Police Major John Patrick O. Magsalos, Police Major Jason D. Quijana, and Police Lieutenant Colonel Jolet T. Guevara, Your Honor.
And this is 10 out of the 34. Were the others also meted penalties?
The others were not meted the penalty, Your Honor, but with different kind of penalty, like penalty
there-
ranging from.
They were all also punished but not dismissed.
That's true, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
1 minute suspension.